How to convert Lazpaylater into Gcash. First things first is open up your Lazada application and ensure that you're running the latest version of the app. Simply update it via Google Play Store so you will not encounter any crashes and errors. In here, make sure that you're logged into the account in which you have a certain amount of balance in your Lazpaylater. The lower right portion of your screen, head over into account. Scroll down a bit till you find My Lazada Wallet. Just simply hit on View. Now here. So this is where you'll have to complete the whole process first before you can convert any amounts that you have from Lazpaylater into your Gcash. Just simply activate your Lazada wallet, and once activated, it will automatically show up your current balance that you have from your Lazpaylater. Cash it in over into your Gcash payment method, and you're done. And that is how you convert Lazpaylater to Gcash.